Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Josh or Hyperback. It is July 20th. It's a Monday, and this is gonna be my trade recap for the day. TP Bang is normal, you know how we get down over here. So let me hop in replay mode. 29:30. So going into market open, um, we just swept this high over here on ES. We just swept New York high. We've been had that shit swept on NQ already. We have Asia high from last week over here. So I had that draw marked, and I just had these draws up here marked. Because it looks like we want to come up and resuit. But then also we have draws lower. We have all this LRLR lower. Draws lower with no SMT. Almost equal lows on NQ. Like we have some draws lower too. So I'm okay with both ways. I just want to react to price and see what we're doing. So market opens. We just start displacing up. Like it's clear and obvious that we want to resup this high. So if we would have got more of a bearish reaction out of this right here, we would have maybe closed bearish. Closed bearish a little bit, came down, and then disrespected that reaction. I maybe would have longed this right here. It is a little early. What is that? 9:32, yeah, like it's a little early for me. So right now we have bearish SMT, another draw higher still. We end up taking that draw. We take Asia high. We then put in crazy bearish SMT. So we have bearish SMT right now. Alright, so bearish SMT is not delivering. I'm not going to enter this trade though, just because we're so far up in premium. The 99% are all winning right now. ES just took its draw, so I want to see how we react to the draw. And I guess the next draw on NQ, the next real draw is this one up here. So let's see. Alright, it looks like it's the bearish SMT is not delivering. We then get invited sellers. Everybody who longed right here are getting stopped out. The people who are selling right here, they're going to get stopped out. The market's not going to give it to them this easy. Let's say we put in this little tiny bearish SMT. If you go on the 15-second chart, this would be like a swing low on the 15-second. So we have this little mini bullish SMT. Next candle, we rebalance this next candle. So if we're going to be bearish, I want to see this next candle open up higher and then start displacing lower. Because there's no reason for us to rebalance again if we're bearish. We've already rebalanced. The next candle should start delivering us lower. Next candle just fully disrespects that rebalance. Displace higher. Along that bitch on candle closure. Stop below. Stop below here. TP I had like 40 points or some shit. Realistically, I probably should have only done it here, but this is a 1-to-1. Because we could still get reversal sequence here on ES. Reversal sequence here on NQ. And then continue to dump. So there, boom, TP bang. Just like that. And now we have bearish SMT, reversal sequence. ES ends up sweeping this high. We put reversal sequence in on ES. Take draw, invite sellers, stop the sellers out, and then make our move. So we just put in this little bullish SMT. And then that shit just isn't delivering. Short that bitch right here. 30-point TP. Extend the TP a little bit just because the stop loss is a little bit worse. And boom, we would add TP bang. So those two trades are what you could have had. I think there was one later in the day. So 9:30 we have SMT now with 9:30 open. SMT. Alright, SMT doesn't really look like it's delivering us. We rebalance into the Sibby. And then we just fully disrespect that reaction. Short that bitch right there. Stop above rebalance. Fucking 30 points, 45. Like, look at all this LR. Like, bro, this is gonna get taken right now. We have this with all this with no manipulation. It's just higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. Like, there's so many stops below these lows down here. Even down here, like, bro, there's like this shit's getting taken. Boom, TP bang. If you really to external draw, you would have had that too. What about down here? Oh, now we're in live time. So yeah, like this draw is gonna end up getting taken too. Like we're bearish now. We're bearish. The whole reason why I really liked my long is if you go on the 4-hour chart, we come up here, we tap into both of these Sibbies, didn't disrespect either of them, but we tap into both of them, and then we get a bearish reaction, and then we just completely disrespect that bearish reaction. If we're bearish, bro, we come up, we tap into the Sibbies, we should deliver lower. No, we didn't. That means we still want draws higher, and we had clear Asia high with all this LR, like, we had draws higher to take. So yeah, that's the trade recap. Those are the 1, 2, the 3 trades you could have taken on a Monday. It's really not that hard. Just start reading FOMO or human emotion in the charts. Right here, hella people are longing right here because they see this one green candle. They see this as like soup failed. They're all longing this. They're gonna lose. Everyone's shorting right here. They're gonna lose. Long right here up to the resoup, the reversal sequence. And then you have the reversal sequence failed. Everyone's longing up here at the top. They see this as a pullback to the fair value gap. They keep pushing us higher. But no, we know how the market moves. This is a reversal sequence. And then it starts full delivering us. So yeah, that's gonna be it today. That's it for Monday. I'll be back on tomorrow.